Welcome to the 30 for amazing facts about Benjamin Magalong. Benjamin Magalong was born in Baguio on December 15, 1960, to Severiano Benjamin Magalong Sr. 2. Benjamin Magalong spent his elementary days at St. Louis University Laboratory Elementary School. 3. Benjamin Magalong finished high school at what was then St. Louis Boys High School. 4. Benjamin Magalong was the chief of the Cordillera Regional Police Office, the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, and the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management. 5. Benjamin Magalong, who was then a lieutenant in command of the Philippine Constabulary Detachment in Buguias, Benguet, played a key part in 1986 People Power Revolution in the Cordillera as the first officer to defect from the administration of Ferdinand Marcos. 6. Benjamin Magalong first served in Abra and Agusan del Norte before joining the Special Action Force and heading its Special Operations Battalion from 1997 to 2001. 7. Benjamin Magalong was accused of plotting to assassinate President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo in 2001, but was later cleared in 2005. 8. Benjamin Magalong, alleged to have been participating in the destabilization efforts and attempting to recruit men to beef up the main destabilization force. 9. On March 14, 2005, 2 weeks after Benjamin Magalong was absolved of the assassination plot charges against him, inmates in the Camp Bagong Diwa were able to seize weapons from the guards. 10. Benjamin Magalong led the quelling of the March 2005 prison riot in Camp Bagong Diwa. 11. Benjamin Magalong then became the director of the CIDG and chairman of the PNP Board of Inquiry on the Mama Sapano incident. 12. Benjamin Magalong published the investigation report on March 13, 2015, which implicated PNP Chief Alan Purisima and President Benigno Aquino III of misconduct leading to the deaths of 44 SAF troopers. 13. In 2019, Benjamin Magalong testified before the Senate accusing PNP Chief Oscar Albailde of protecting police officers involved in the drug trade. 14. Benjamin Magalong testified before a Senate hearing on ninja cops, accusing then PNP General Oscar Albailde of blocking the dismissal of 13 policemen involved in an irregular drug raid in 2013, from which some policemen had allegedly profited from. 15. In October 2019, days after his testimony at the Senate, Benjamin Magalong revealed that he has been receiving death threats and is worried for his family. 16. In November 2019, Benjamin Magalong stood behind one of the city's post officer for performing his task without fear or favor. 17. Benjamin Magalong completed the Counter-Terrorists Operation course in Louisiana, USA, and the Senior Crisis Management course in Washington, D.C. 18. Benjamin Magalong was originally intended to head the Directorate for Intelligence, but was instead appointed to the CIDG. 19. Benjamin Magalong said in an interview for the Asian Dragon magazine that he did not want the post due to its highly politicized nature, and that he even tried to exchange commands with General. 20. Benjamin Magalong assumed the post and afterwards worked with the 14-man National Advisory Council with the goal of the PNP transformation program known as Patrol Plan 2030. 21. Benjamin Magalong led the Board of Inquiry on the Mama Sapano incident. 22. Benjamin Magalong retired on December 15, 2016 from the Philippine National Police as the Deputy Chief of Operations, having served for more than 38 years. Benjamin Magalong received 166 military and PNP achievement and merit medals for his combat and law enforcement accomplishments, among which are the Distinguished Conduct Star, the Distinguished Service Star, the PNP Gold Cross, and 15 Outstanding Achievement Medals. 24. Benjamin Magalong retired with the rank of Police Deputy Director General as the PNP's Deputy Chief for Operations. 25. On October 17, 2018, Benjamin Magalong filed his certificate of candidacy for the mayoralty post of Baguio. 26. Benjamin Magalong ran under a platform of speedy government action, revitalizing the environment, innovating peace and order condition, aggressive traffic management, empowering the youth, and a responsive education program. 27. Benjamin Magalong ordered Baguio's dump site in Irisan be converted into an eco-park by 2020. 28. Benjamin Magalong further expanded his 10-point agenda to 15 points, adding the following to his agenda. 29. Benjamin Magalong called Judge Largo's actions of having the enforcers subpoenaed as unprofessional and arrogant, and said he himself was prepared to accompany the enforcers involved. 30. In December 2019, amidst the influx of tourists into the city, Benjamin Magalong ordered an aggressive anti-littering campaign, leading to the arrest of 49 people as of January 2020, and has promised that he will continue such campaign. 31. Benjamin Magalong served as the contact tracing czar of the Philippine government's response to the COVID-19 pandemic from July 2020 until his irrevocable resignation on January 29, 2021. 32. On October 5, 2021, Benjamin Magalong filed his coke for re-election for a second term. 33. In 2013, Benjamin Magalong was conferred the Presidential Lingkod Bayan Award for his peacekeeping initiatives in Kalanga and Abra. GIS-based crime mapping system, PNP 2030 patrol initiatives, human resource development program, and environment advocacy, among others.